Doing pretty good, don't you think?
Yeah.
So if you look over here, Freiburger's holding up the Pit Hero Trophy. This thing is legit. It's all real metal parts. How heavy is that?
They said it's 22 pounds. Not bad.
It looks even heavy. It's a one-hander. So my hope is here, we're going to go through a few more cars. We'll have a discussion, but we're going to bring up what we feel is the top three. And we're going to let you guys decide who is the pit hero by applause. How's that sound? Woo! All right. So hang tight. We're getting there pretty soon. Again, if you have not made a run and you want a shot at this beautiful trophy, you better come up here and get her done.
Derek, hold it up. Thank you.